Good morning, student. Yesterday we have taken one part word problem for quadratic equation. Today I am introducing the revision of word problem of simultaneous equation. Two variable. Yesterday what we have done, that is one variable, that is quadratic equation. In that you have to make the factor and all that. Here two variable. The tabular method which we have used in quadratic equation, same we can use in this also. One by one, when I'll solve, you will come to know that how the table form we can use in for the formation of simultaneous equation. Two different number differ by 3. It is 1.5. First question. Let uh, larger number be x, smaller number, you can write bigger number y. Condition 1, difference is 3. So big number minus small number is equal to 3. Condition 1. Sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 90. Twice the smaller number plus thrice the greater number. Bigger, again you can change greater number. What is that given? 90. So smaller number is y. 2y, 3x is equal to 90. Okay, this you can convert x is equal to y plus 3. Minus y comes this side, so plus. So this is the x value. 2, 2y plus 3, y plus 3 is equal to 90. 2y plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 19. 5y, 19 minus 9, divide by 5 on both the side, you will get y is equal to 2. But x is equal to what? Y plus 3. 2 plus 3. So, greater number x is equal to 5. Smaller number y is equal to 2. Like both the condition, you have to apply systematically, and by substituting value, by making equal, both you can do. Rectangle is given. This is given 4x minus y. This is given 2x plus y plus 4. Sorry, 8. Only 2y. X plus 4. We can give the name ABCD. In rectangle ABCD, AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Opposite side of rectangles are congruent, equal. So AB is equal to what? First, 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 2x minus y, 8 only this side. 8 here, 2x goes this side, so minus, y goes this side, so minus. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. Divide by 2. you will get 4 is equal to x minus y. This comes this side. So x is equal to 4 plus y. Another pair also are congruent. So 2y x plus 4. Dear student, only 2 months remain. Full on March, full on April. From in May you have exam. So 55 days around more remain. Start with 0 again. Within 55 days, very easily you can cover all the subjects. There are lots of ready materials are available. Question paper set, LDR 21. If you will do that much minimum, very easily you can pass. These I am giving the hint for a very slow learner. Correct? So you have to work anyhow. So substitute x is equal to 4 plus y. 2y is equal to y plus 8. Y less, so y is equal to 8. Substitute in this, x is equal to 4 plus y. X is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So we have to just find out parameter and area. So parameter of quantity A, B, C, D is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So what is AB? 2x plus y plus 8, x plus y, x plus 4, 4x minus y plus 2y. So first, second, third and fourth side. Count x, 2x, 3x, 7x. y minus y 0 plus 2y. Number are only 8 and 4. This is a parameter. Now substitute. It is 12. Substitute y 8. 12 7 is 84. 8 2 is 16 plus 12. 84 plus 1600 plus 12 112. Parameter of rectangle. Now area of rectangle ABC. Residue. Take smaller one. We will omit this. So this into this you can take height into base. So that is 2y, 4x, 4 to the 8xy minus 2y square. 8xy to y square. X is 12, y is 8. 8. 2 into 64. 64 into 12. Do intelligent calculation. 64 common. It is an area, so square unit. Don't write only unit. Correct. When units are not given, you are supposed to write unit for a single linear measurement, that is distance, and for area, square unit. The sum of the father's age and the twice of the age of the son is 70. If we double the age of father and add to the age of his son, the sum is 92. Find their present age. Father's age plus twice the son age is 70. Son age plus double of father, that is 95. Let father's present age be X here. Son or daughter. Son. Condition 1. Father's age plus double of son's age is equal to 70. So father's age is X plus 2Y is equal to 70. Condition 2. Double of father plus son is equal to 95. So 2x plus y is equal to 95. Correct. This is equation 1, equation 2. Now you add both the equation. First plus second. So that is 3x plus 3y divided by 3. So that is x plus y. 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. That is third. I have done first plus second. Now I will do second minus first because it is interchanging coefficient 1 and 2, 2 and 1. So 2x minus x is equal to just x. Y minus 2y, it is minus y. 95 minus 70, that is 25. That is fourth equation. Now we can add. If we add, so 2x, y cancel. 55, 25, it is 80. So x, it is a age of father, 40. Total is 55. X plus y is equal to 55. X is 40. 40 plus how much is equal to 55? So y is equal to 15. Now individual answer you have to write. Present age of father is x is equal to 40 year. Present age of son is equal to y is equal to 15 year. Now make the double. 15 to the 30. 30 plus 40, 70. First condition fulfill. In quadratic equation, in simultaneous equation, this is a very good idea that you can substitute in any equation, and if it is balanced, your answer is 100% correct. Now double this. 40, 40, 80. 80 plus 15, 95. So both the condition fulfill. Next. The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Let numerator be x, denominator be y. Therefore, fraction becomes numerator by denominator is equal to x by y. Condition 1. Denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice of the numerator. Denominator is 4 more than twice of the numerator. You can write like this, 4 more than twice. So y is equal to 2x plus 4. By condition 1, you will get one equation. Condition 2. Second, denominator become 12 times the numerator if both the number numerator and denominator are reduced by 4. Denominator when reduced by 4, it is 12 times the numerator when it is reduced by 12. If both reduce,
The screen is blurred.
if both reduce by 12, at that time only denominator is 12 times of that. Numerator is this, denominator is this. When 12 reduce, at that time denominator will be 12 times of the numerator. And with original, denominator is 4 more than twice of numerator. So second condition, y minus 12 is equal to 12x minus 144. So y is equal to 12x minus 144 plus 12. Minus comes this side. So y is equal to 12x minus 132. 44 minus 12. Now this is also y and this is also y. So both are the values of y. So you can write in opposite. 2x means both are equal. 12x minus 132. 132 goes this side. So 4 plus 132 is equal to 12x minus 2x. Correct? So it is 10x. This is 136. Okay, let me check. In fraction, numerator is x, denominator is y. So the fraction is x by y. Condition number 1, denominator is twice of numerator plus 4. 4 more than the double of numerator. So denominator y, numerator x, 4. Correct? This is 4. Now when we reduce 6 from both the side, so y minus 6 is equal to denominator will be 12 times the numerator when we will subtract 6 from both the side. So simplify, 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72. Then this comes this side, so plus, it becomes 66. So this value and this value are equal. I have written in opposite. So 12x minus 2x, 4 minus minus plus 66, 70. This, so you can cut 0 0 or divide by 10. So x is equal to 7. So in any simple equation, I will substitute in this. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. So y is equal to 2, 7 plus 4. 7 to the 14 plus 4. It is 18. Correct. So numerator is equal to x is equal to 7. Denominator y is equal to 18. Now double plus 4, 7 to the 14 plus 4, 18. If we reduce 6, if you reduce 6, it will become 1. It will become 12. So it is 12 times. So both the condition are fulfilled. So your answer is 100% correct. Next, two type of the box A and B are placed in the truck having the capacity of 10 ton. When 150 box of the type A, so type, number, weight per box, total weight. Type A, type B, its weight is X. It's find the weight of each. Weight of each is X, each is Y. A type 150 box, B type 100 box. So the weight will be 150x, 100y, and 10 tons means 10,000 kg. So this is in kg. This is in kg. A type box, each of x kg. There are 150 box, so 150 exa. B type of box, their number of box are 100. Each weight different. Why? Uh, Not the same. So y per box y kg. So the total is 100 y kg. So this plus this they have given the total. Similarly, if 10 tons when 260 box of A, if weight 10 tons, but when 250 type of the box A are loaded in the truck, still accommodate 40 box of B. Next time A, B, weight will be the same, number will change. 260 of A, B 40. At that time 260x, 40y. Again same, weight will be remain same, but the number of A box and B box they have changed. So by this first formula, 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. Divide by 50. 50 threes are 50 twos are 2s means 200. By this 260 x 40 y, correct, divide by 20. So 13x plus 2y this all I have divided by 50. This all divided by 20 because this you will get equal. Now equation second minus first means 13x plus 12y 500, 3x plus 2y minus, so this will be only 10x, this will cancel, this will be 300. So x is equal to 30. In a simple equation, for example, this we will substitute 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. 90 plus 2y, 200. 200 minus 90, divide by 2. So weight of one A box is equal to X is equal to 30 kg. Weight of one B box Y is equal to 55 kg. When you will substitute in any equation, this or this, you will get 1000 kg, 10 ton, 10 ton, 1 ton, 1000 kg. Next one, this is also a tabular form question. Vishal traveled some distance by bus, by aeroplane. Bus travel with the 60, aeroplane is, his speed is given. So type speed, distance, time. Find the distance. Okay, speed always in kilometer per hour. Distance kilometer. This is hours. This is by bus. This is by aeroplane. Total distance they have given 1900. Speed is given 60 kilometer per hour, 72 kilometer per hour. Sorry, 700 kilometer per hour given. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. This distance we don't know. This distance we don't know. But the total distance is this. Total time they have given 5 hours. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So x by 60, y by 700. 60, 700, 19005 all are correct. Now again explain. These are the type of the vehicle. This is the speed, this is distance, this is time. Two type of the vehicle, bus and aeroplane. Speed of bus is given, speed of aeroplane is given. Distance traveled by bus we have to find out x. Distance traveled by aeroplane we have to find out, that is y. But the total distance traveled that is given. So condition number 1, therefore x plus y total distance is given. If speed is this, distance is this by speed is equal to distance by time formula. Time is equal to distance by speed formula. Time taken by bus is this much. Time taken by aeroplane is this much. But time by bus plus time by aeroplane, total time it is given 5 hours. So that is condition number 2. So here I will write therefore y is equal to 1900 minus x. This is first equation. Second equation, x by 600, 60 plus y by 700 is equal to 5 by 1. Simple. Under this product of rest of 2, so 700. Under this product of rest of 2, 60. Under this product of rest of 2, 42,000. This into this, 700x plus 60y is equal to 42 into 5. So 210 and more 3 zeros. Now first remove 0, 0, 0 or divide by 10. Correct. Now I will substitute this. Y is equal to 1900 minus x. So 70x plus 6 y 4y 1900 minus x is equal to 1000. So 70x plus 00 minus 6x to 1000. This comes this side, this comes this side. So this minus this is equal to 64x. So 21,000 minus 11400 0069. It is 69600. Correct. Now x is equal to 9600 divided by 64. Come right. So 9600 64, which 4s are 4 2s are 4 4s are 4 1s are 16. Sorry. 8 2s are 8 3s are 150. So distance traveled by bus is equal to 150 kilometer. Total distance travel it is 190. So y is equal to what? So distance by bus is equal to x is equal to 150 kilometer. Distance by aeroplane y kilometer, that is 1750. Total 1900. So by table form very easily you can substitute, and which are very easy equation that you can convert into x form or y form. And in next big equation or a complicated equation, you can substitute x or y. If you will substitute x is equal to, you will get the answer of y. If you will substitute y is equal to, you will get the answer of x. So this is very easy method.